Okay, where are we?
At Boom City. Yeah. For the 4th of July. Fun.
What are we celebrating?
The 4th of July.
What is that?
Veterinarian's Day. What?
Independence Day.
Found it.
Independence Day.
It's the day that America was independent from
Born.
Great Britain.
Ladybugs.
Those are ladybugs?
Yeah, we're looking more for kids stuff.
Oh, got these.
I love the butterflies.
Mommy,
I mean the bees. The bees are fun.
And this for Hank.
There's the bees right there. Stuck to the rim.
Something that.
So what's the difference in that one? Oh, okay.
Stuck more. This one. That's really a cool.
Thank you. Like this one. This one's got some more firecrackers.
So how much for the two of those?
How much for the two of these?
Hey, Daddy, can I have
I'll
one
give you 3 for
back?
100.
Okay, well, let's just keep looking and see.
Yeah, we'll keep
Thanks.
looking.
Has fountains and stuff.
Yeah, you're gonna have all your fountains, you're gonna get your tanks, you're gonna get a couple Roman candles, poppets, smoke balls, crackling balls, and then you're gonna get some firecrackers as well.
Would you do, how about 50 for that and 2 swords?
I can't do that. My swords are 10 apiece, or two for 15. That,
60 for that and 2 swords.
I could do 65. That's
65?
Yeah, that's the best I
Let's keep looking. Maybe there's other like smaller kid things.
Okay, we'll keep that in mind. We'll be
Yeah,
around.
Thank you. Oh my god.
They explode.
I don't know if they do. Don't touch this stuff. So you probably light it and it sprays out fire.
How you doing?
Good. How much are the little brave?
Little Brave? They were 50. I can give them 30.
30? Okay.
Oh, look at this
How
one.
much are those?
Those little guns are $15.
Can you actually hold these?
Yeah. Those are kid friendly. So is this pack. This is
Should we get like some cups?
I mean, that's got good stuff you're gonna want hanging.
Yeah. A lot of fun. It's really awesome.
We gotta get the gun. We're just gonna get 2.
They're $15 each, so I'll go 2 for 25.
2 for 20. Okay.
So then we're at 55. Would you do 50 for all of it?
50, yeah, I'll take it.
20, 40, 50. Thank you.
Yep, no problem.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Is this all we're getting?
Yeah, this is a lot.
That's
Are
a
you
lot.
kidding me? Look at that.
Hank, could you imagine spending your own $50 on that?
Wow.
You excited about it?
I'm excited for the firecrackers and those.
There's a bunch of good stuff in there.
Oh, those.
Yeah, I love it.
Honey, they were gonna do 2 of these for 50.
Okay.
What were we thinking?
We don't need 2 of those. Alright, well that's it. Didn't last long, did it?
Nope, never does, but that's okay.
You guys, it's not funny to point guns at cars at all.
No, it's not, but he was smiling. This is what happens here at good old Boom City. People just start lighting fireworks
Like gosh,
off.
there's a guy weed whacking out
Here,
there.
what? We're gonna make
Cupcakes.
for 4th of July. we're stopping to get some books on the way to the party.
Sorry, the rest of these are like coloring books.
I'm excited.
Huh?
If you
I'm
could see us.
excited to see Sage.
Me too.
Oh, June.
My go. If that stands, that would be amazing.
Firework.
Okay, can I win?
Sure.
June. Is this scary?
Mm-hmm.
Junie, my daughter. Look at me.
Thank you.
Dad, get back.
Look,
Happy 4th, June. I love you.
Mrs. Palmer.
Mwah.
Dad, will these like
Pretty.
Yeah.
Is that pretty? You trying to blow it out? Oh, mosquito.
Need the lighter. Did you see that? He set the lighter right down next to it.
Woo!
I think that spinner needed a little pop. So
No.
we're gonna do both these at once.
Okay. You like it.
Ooh.
Popper and a spinner. What do you think? You ready to shoot your gun? And
Yeah.
go. Come on, a couple more. Let's see the best you got. And pretend like you're shooting someone.
America!
Yeah.
Woo!
Say America.
Say happy birthday.
Hey, Reed. Hey, Rich.
Look it. I lighted my gun.
Yeah, they had sparkler guns.
I had sparkler gun.
You did good.
Say back, please.
Uh-oh.
Say back, Daddy.
I lit one.
This one.
Oh, the cone?
Yeah.
This one's called Blastoff Eruption number 5.
Mommy, can I go and hug Daddy and thank you?
Yeah, just make sure they're not lighting anything, honey.
Mommy, I know how to light a lighter.
Nice.
You always want to stay away in case you don't know what.
Whoa. But be very careful. That's how you burn your fingers.
When your fingers are sliding off your fingers and then blowing the fire.
Well, that was cool. Reed, get back. Reed, crackle balls are super loud, so you might want to plug your
They
ears.
are kind of crackly.
Run!
That's kind of cool. smoking?
Army crawling back there. That was cool.
Crawling.
That